Hello Willie, thanks for playing in the Motswaka Golf Day at Eagle Canyon. Just a quick look at your swing. Just going to draw a line here to show your swing plane. Firstly, your alignment is quite good, feet's parallel to your target line, shoulders are slightly open though. Taking the club back, you can see slightly underneath the line, a bit around your body, so that's going to cause you to get stuck. Try and keep your hands and arms more in front of your body. At the top of your swing, pretty good position over there. Coming down perfectly on plane. Good impact position. And then follow through. Willie, you'll probably hit most of the fairways, but getting a bit more distance would be ideal. If you can just try and shift your weight a bit better from your left foot to your right foot on the backswing and right to the left foot on the follow through. Try and get a few spikes in the air there on your right foot. You can see your right foot firmly planted on the ground. Thanks again for playing in the Motswaka Day. I hope to see you next year.